S-I-E-G-E. Under siege. Yan, under siege. Yan,
Siege.
May gera, sinasalakay. Okay? So ngayon, yung mga tao sa loob ng city, hindi makalabas. Dahil merong nagbabantay, may mga kalaban. So what happened, the situation inside the city gotten so bad, okay, and the women were eating already their own children to survive. How horrible, di ba? That's the situation inside the city. They could not eat because no food available. They have to eat their own children. And one day, Elisha, the prophet, during those times, had predicted something impossible to happen. Ano po sabi ni Elisha? Next day, food would be plentiful. And it will be affordable inside this city. Paano mangyayari yun? Naka-enclose tayo, may mga kalaban sa labas. We could not go out to buy food. So this prophecy, or sinabi ng prophet, or prediction, is like it will be very, very impossible to happen. Now, balik tayo din sa four lepers. So they have evaluated their gloomy situation. If we stay at the gate of Samaria, we would starve. Kung tayo ay tatambay lang rito at wala tayong gagawin, magugutom tayo. Tama nga naman, no? Saan ka nakikita, tatambay-tambay ka lang, busog ka. Hindi ka mabubusog sa kakatambay. Di ba? Magugutom tayo. Tama nga naman, if they stay in Samaria, they will starve. Now, if they went over to the enemy's camp, sabi niya, kung pupunta tayo sa kaaway, ay nasa labas lang, maaari tayo mamatay. Tama ba? And dying would be no worse than starving. Sabi na, kung mamatay tayo, di tapos ang problema, hindi na tayo gutom. Di ba? Pag gutom ang hirap dun. Ilang araw kang gutom. Di ba? Hanggang sa matigok ka. So they have evaluated their situation and they have decided or take a chance outside that they will go to the enemy's camp. Pag sila'y pumunta ron, maaari silang mapatay at pwede rin silang bigyan ng awa. Pag binigyan sila ng awa, makakakain sila ng tira-tira. Di ba? Kanina umaga, makakakain ka ng bahaw. Kahit bahaw lang, katalo na. Di ba? Makasurvive. So they took their chance and went over to the enemy camp and they were surprised, na-shock po sila. At nakita nila yung kampo, deserted, walang tao. Paano nangyari yun? Paano nangyari? The Lord causes the enemy to hear sounds of chariot, sounds of horses, sounds of great enemy. So ano nangyari? Nagpanik. Tumakas. Makarinig ka ba naman ng mga yapak ng kabayo, great army, di manginginig ka na. Di ba? Nung sila'y tumakas, hindi nila nadala yung mga supplies nila. And what happened? The poor beggars, wow, nung nakita na walang tao, ang daming supply, maraming pagkain, pambira, buffet. Ang tinira. Di ba? Eat all you can. Di ba? Tingnan mo yung isang kampo, tapos 4 lang kayo, pambira, buffet yan. Hindi lang po sa pagkain, they haul away and hid several precious items like silver, gold, and clothing. Kita mo yun? Silid. Nagsilidan, pambira. Ngayon, habang nagsisilid-silid, mahilig magsilid yan, sabi rito, conscience began to bother them. Nakonsensya po sila, sabi, we're not doing right. This is the day of good news. But we are keeping silent. Diba? Pabira, bakit tayo ganitong ginagawa? Mali ito. Dapat day of good news to. Dapat sinasabi natin ito, pero nananahimik tayo. Mali ito. Diba? Buong bansa nagugutom, tapos tayo lang ang nakikinabang. This is wrong. So they went and told the starving city where they could find abundant supply to satisfy their need. Satisfy